Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to play Genshin Impact on a low-end device. First, let's dive into graphics settings. Lowering your game's resolution significantly boosts performance. Try 720p or 1080p. Set your overall graphics quality to lowest or low to reduce the visual load. Also, turn off demanding effects like bloom, motion blur, and anti-aliasing for a smoother experience. These changes are crucial for improving frame rates. Beyond in-game settings, optimizing your system is key. Always close any background applications running on your device before starting Genshin Impact to free up valuable resources. Make sure your graphics drivers are up to date, as this can provide significant performance improvements. If your device has a dedicated game booster or performance mode, enable it for an extra boost. These steps help your device focus solely on the game. Within the game, a few more tweaks can make a difference. Limiting your frame rate to 30 frames per second can provide a more stable and consistent experience, even if it's not the highest. Reducing the render resolution in the game settings can also smooth out gameplay without drastically impacting visuals. Additionally, try to avoid overly crowded areas or intense combat situations if you notice significant lag. Every little adjustment helps. For those seeking even more performance, exploring custom configuration files can unlock deeper optimizations, but proceed with caution. Generally, having at least 4 GB of RAM is recommended for a basic playable experience. Remember, consistent updates to your operating system and game can also bring performance enhancements. And hey, if you're looking for ways to make meal prep easier, check out the leak-proof containers linked in the description, along with other great deals. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.